7 months I've been learning with him. We've done some pop music, bebop, jazz, classical. There was a song that I wanted to learn that was a pop song. So yeah, a range of things. Definitely so many things. I think honing in on the little details just to make that piece sound that little bit sweeter, which is good. My finger strength has improved, my ability to play has improved in general, and my knowledge of music theory has definitely increased, which helps me to play whatever I like. Yeah. Well, it's actually because I heard you play and then you were really great, and I thought, well, I want to play like that. So if there's a music school, that would be good. That's why I chose you. And then from the recommendation of others that have been here and they've had great results. I would recommend Contreras Music because the lesson is really tailored to what you want to do. There's always discussion about what you want to get out of the lessons, what you want to learn, and I think that's really important to keep music enjoyable, learning music enjoyable. It's not just about learning a song off a page, so when you're learning with teachers that are really passionate about music, it makes you excited to learn too.